The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area.
So he's
Got it?
opening the portal, okay.
This fight is for our destiny. It is
Come on,
why
bro.
we were bonded together.
I am wounded.
Yo! Taking the portal crashed my game. What is this? My game crashed because of taking... What the hell? I took the portal and then it crashed my game. What the hell? What is this bullshit? There's no way. Yeah. Can you skip that? I don't care. I was inside the comp game. Now I think What is happening? I did not disconnect it. It's the game that crashed. Cannot join competitive matchmaking. The game crashed. It's not me. That's BS. That's BS. Anyway, I think I'm done.